guys, Trinity here recording a game of Blitz on Thorn. We're gonna go Red Dragon, of course. And let's see. So I don't know anyone in this game. Okay. But yeah, we're gonna do this. Let's see how many kills we can get and if we can win. That's an assassin sheep. Assassin sheep. Assassin sheep, go! Nope, that's crap. Can I have this? Can I have this? Okay, you know what? I'm not gonna go that way. I hate going that way. What are you doing? You see, we call this free coins. Free coins are nice. You are also free coins. Stop denying your free coin nature. Die by my blade. My wooden blade. My wooden blade that's halfway broken. You have a wooden axe. That won't be a problem. Oh, and you stop to look in the chest. Hello. Oh, you're in the water. You're done. Ugh. I just want to be a real boy. A real boy. My wooden sword thing is almost broken. Jerks. Oh, nope, 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 nope. Please don't chase me. Quickly clear everything. Oh, he's being chased. Ah! Ah! Murder. Murder. Got it. No blaze for you. Oh, I have level now. Thank you for the XP. Stop right there. Stop right there. Stop right there. Come back. I said stop. I said stop. I'm gonna have to chase him for a while, aren't I? Hello. Oh, you're the assassin sheep. Assassin sheep, why? And now I'm being murdered. Jerk. Oh. Go this way. I'll never Ah! Why do you do this? Quickly, eat. Now run. No. That sheep had a stone sword. I must go enchant it. There it is. Ah! Go. Go. Did I even get the stone? I got it. Sharp one. I used 2 levels, but I don't even care. Ah ha 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 ha. Why do you do this? Why? Why me? Ah ha 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 ha. Stop. 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 Okay, we made it. Oh, great. We're done. We're done for. He has creepers. He has creepers. Got him. And got it. Yes. GG. Haha. Yeah. I win. I win. I win. His teammate came. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you later. Bye.